You mentioned earlier about transmitting certain values to your grandchildren.
First thing is to be a Mensch, a human being. That has a huge Jewish component in my mind, but it's not only Jews. Yeah, it can't be only for Jews. My daughter, who I consider very good in this type of transmission of things, she also has, because of her and her husband have a lot of money that we don't. They give charity in big numbers, not like we do, small. And she has divided it into three categories. They live in Chicago. One is poverty in Chicago. That's one big contribution. One is Jewish related, particularly. And then in her mind, there's one organization that does things very well in Jewish things, so they can give to that one. If you want me, I'll name it for her. The American Jewish World Service Committee with Ruth Wexler as the current president. And so it's poverty in the Chicago area, Jewish causes, especially the AJWS, and educational institutions, again, normally in the Chicago area. And I think that's a good set of values to have transmitted to her. She's visited to Israel many times. Her children have been to Israel, her two sons. So those are the things that I'd like to transmit. My grandchildren who are mixed marriage, they've also been to Israel. So that's something. Will they stay Jews? I don't know. I don't even know what that means. I think sort of being Jews as part of a narrow tribe alone without humane exterior values is wrong. I'm supportive of Hayas, I don't know, but the Hebrew Immigrant Aid Society. And you know what their biggest campaign right now is?
Helping Syrian
Exactly. And I think that's the correct thing. And the American Jewish World Service was involved, I think, in Darfur, long before the rest of the world took care of the problems that existed there. So those are the values I'd like to transmit. I would like my great-grandchildren to be Jewish, whatever that means. I'll settle for my grandchildren being Jewish.